Do you know many English words, but when someone asks you a simple question like, "What did you do today?" you suddenly don't know what to say?
That happens to many English learners. You understand English when you listen, you can read and study, but when it's time to speak about your real life, it feels difficult.
Right, and one of the best ways to improve your speaking is describing your daily routine.
Your morning, your work, your free time, these are things you already know. You just need simple English to talk about them.
So today, we're going to help you feel more confident. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo.
Today, we have a guest.
His name is John.
John is going to describe his full day, from morning to night, in simple, natural English.
While you listen, try to imagine everything. Picture his morning, his work, and his evening.
And if this lesson helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
All right, let's listen to John's day.
My day usually starts at 7 in the morning. When my alarm goes off, I open my eyes slowly, but I don't get up right away. I like to stay in bed for a minute or two, just to wake up naturally. Sometimes I stretch my arms and legs, and I take a deep breath before I start moving. Then I sit up, put my feet on the floor, and stand up. After that, I walk to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. I don't eat breakfast yet. I prefer to drink coffee first and give my body some time to wake up. I usually sit on the couch with my coffee and enjoy a quiet moment. Sometimes I look out the window and watch the street. Other times I just sit and relax without doing anything. This is one of my favorite moments of the day because everything feels calm and slow. After I finish my coffee, I go back to my room and change into my workout clothes. Then I get ready to go to the gym. I usually leave the house around 7:30 a.m. The gym is not very far, so it only takes a few minutes to get there. When I arrive, I start with a short warm-up. I walk on the treadmill for about 10 minutes to get my body ready. After that, I begin my workout. Some days I focus on my upper body, like my arms and shoulders. Other days I focus on my legs. I like to change my routine so I don't get bored. I also do some cardio at the end of my workout. The whole session usually takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. By the end, I feel tired, but in a good way. Exercise helps me feel more awake, and it puts me in a good mood for the rest of the day. After I finish, I leave the gym and go back home. When I get home, the first thing I do is take a shower. The shower helps me relax after the workout and makes me feel fresh. After that, I get dressed in comfortable clothes because I work from home. Then I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. By this time, I'm usually very hungry. I like to keep my breakfast simple but filling. Most days I make eggs and toast. Sometimes I add fruit or avocado on the side. And I usually make another cup of coffee. I sit down at the table, eat slowly, and enjoy the moment. I don't like to rush in the morning if I don't have to. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen. I wash my plate, my cup, and any cooking tools I used. I like starting my day with a clean space. Then I go to my room and make my bed. I fix the pillows, pull the blanket up, and make everything look neat. At around 9 a.m., I start working. I sit at my desk, turn on my computer, and begin by checking my emails. I usually have several emails waiting for me. Some of them are quick and easy to answer, so I reply right away. Others are more complex, so I leave them for later when I have more time. After checking emails, I review my tasks for the day. I like to write a small to-do list to organize my work. This helps me stay focused and not forget anything important. Around 10:30 a.m., I take a short break. I stand up, stretch my back, and sometimes walk around my apartment. If I have laundry to do, this is usually a good time to start it. I have a washer and dryer inside my apartment, which makes things very convenient. I put my clothes in the washing machine, add detergent, and start the cycle. Then I go back to work while the machine runs. After a while, I take another short break to move the clothes to the dryer. It's easy to do because everything is at home. After that, I continue working. Most of my work is done on the computer. I join online meetings, talk to my team, and work on different tasks. During meetings, I try to listen carefully and take notes. Sometimes I feel a little nervous when I speak, but I try to stay calm and speak slowly. Around 12:30 p.m., I take my lunch break. I usually eat something simple because I don't want to spend too much time cooking. Sometimes I make a sandwich. Other times I eat leftovers from the day before. I usually eat at home, either at my desk or on the couch. While I eat, I like to watch a short video or just relax for a few minutes. After lunch, I often feel a little sleepy, so sometimes I go outside for a short walk. Even 5 or 10 minutes of fresh air helps me feel better. Around 1 p.m., I go back to work. The afternoon is usually my most productive time. I feel more focused, so I try to finish my most important tasks during this time. If I have something difficult to do, I usually do it in the afternoon. Around 3:30 p.m., I take another short break. I grab a small snack, like a banana or some nuts. Sometimes I also check my laundry. If the dryer is finished, I take the clothes out, fold them, and put them away. It feels good to finish small tasks like this during the day. After that, I return to work and continue until the end of the day. I usually finish working around 5:30 p.m. When I finish, I close my laptop and take a deep breath. It feels good to be done with work. After work, I don't like staying inside all day, so I usually go outside for a walk or ride my bike. Sometimes I meet a friend for coffee. Other days, I just enjoy being outside and getting some fresh air. Around 7 p.m., I come back home. Then I start preparing dinner. I like to keep dinner simple because I'm usually a little tired. I might cook pasta, rice with vegetables, or eggs. Cooking usually takes about 20 minutes. While I cook, I sometimes listen to music or a podcast. It makes the time more enjoyable. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes, wipe the table, and make sure everything is clean. I like going to bed with a clean kitchen because it makes the next morning easier. After that, I relax. I sit on the couch and watch something, usually a short TV show or some videos. But I try not to watch too much because I don't want to go to bed too late. Sometimes I lose track of time, so I try to be careful. Around 9:30 p.m., I start my night routine. I stop using my phone as much and begin to relax. I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Then I change into comfortable clothes. Sometimes I read a book for a few minutes. Other times I just sit quietly and relax. I enjoy calm evenings because they help me sleep better. Around 10:30 p.m., I go to bed. I lie down, close my eyes, and think about my day. Sometimes I think about what I did well and what I want to do better tomorrow. Then I relax and slowly fall asleep. And that's my typical day.
That was very detailed.
Yes, and still very clear and easy to understand.
I liked how he added simple daily tasks like doing laundry.
Yeah, that's very real life.
Exactly. These small actions are great for practicing English.
Sometimes I feel nervous because I don't know how to describe things like that.
That's okay. You can say simple sentences like, I do my laundry, or I fold my clothes.
I fold my clothes. That sounds useful.
Yes, very natural.
If this lesson is helping you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
We're here to help you speak with confidence.
Let's review quickly.
John starts his day at 7 a.m.
He drinks coffee and goes to the gym.
Then he comes home, takes a shower, and eats breakfast.
He works from home and checks emails.
He also does his laundry during the day.
In the evening, he goes outside or relaxes.
Then he eats dinner and watches something.
And finally, he goes to bed around 10:30.
Simple, clear, and natural.
I feel more confident now.
That's great.
Now it's your turn.
Do you do your laundry during the week or on the weekend?
Write your answer in the comments.
Even a few sentences are great practice.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Keep practicing.
And we'll see you next time on the English Talk channel.
Take care.